classics. Sandy Jones of voltage, so bold it's broken me. I digitized golden eyes onto paper and made her maiden age agelessly. Brutal force from beautiful voices hoisted my spirits high enough that I don't need that little push anymore. So many ways that we relate, I know I'll never meet her. Dangling her face, my vision, the torture that's more than a sport, and I'm a receiver. Just needs more lyrics.